Cheers as Zimbabwe's former leader Mugabe votes. Scores of chanting Zimbabweans have gathered to see 94-year-old former leader Robert Mugabe vote, despite his troubled legacy. "We miss him. I last saw him ages ago," says 22-year-old Everjoy Tafirei. Mugabe stepped down in November under military pressure after 37 years in power. "I just want to see him face to face, even shake his hand as someone I have supported all my life. I still feel like he is my hero," says 34-year-old Jacob Muchesh. Mugabe struggled to walk into the polling station but raised his fist before entering, acknowledging the crowd. The warm reception was a stark contrast to the grim faces as Mugabe's successor, President Emmerson Mnangagwa, voted earlier.